How to achieve financial freedom. It's really the thing that changed my life. And I know there are a lot of videos and courses out there that talk about how to achieve financial freedom, but truly, I believe the number one way to do it is with real estate, buying actual assets that you control and hold for the rest of your life, that you can hand down to your family, that produce monthly cash flow, which provide an amazing tax shelter. Frankly, there is nothing even close to real estate for helping you to achieve financial freedom, that you can actually use a bank's financing in order to do this. Now, one of the core tenets of my entire business is our financial freedom real estate strategy. So today we're going to go through with specific examples and show you how to achieve financial freedom. We'll put it all down on paper. So grab a piece of paper with a pen and we're going to do this together. Now, financial freedom can have many different definitions for different people. So let's talk about what exactly it is and how you can achieve it. I don't believe that financial freedom looks the same way for everyone. We all have different goals. We all have different expenses, different levels of comfort that we want to have in our lives. That's why I created the Freedom Cheat Sheet, so you can determine financial freedom and what it means for you and your family. The PDF is totally free. I want you to download it right now so we can go through this together. It's the Financial Freedom Cheat Sheet. You're going to learn how to unlock your personal freedom. I'll have a link in the description. All you have to do is plug in a few of your financial numbers and you'll determine how much income you would need so that every month you can reach your definition of financial freedom. From there, you'll then determine how many rental properties you'll need to be financially free. So go grab it right now. The Financial Freedom Cheat Sheet is a great tool. It's on our website. Go to morrisinvest.com/freedom. It's based on your numbers and your situation, not somebody else's. So that whether you're wanting to achieve a certain lifestyle, plan for a comfortable retirement, or trying to build generational wealth for your family, you can set that goal within the Financial Freedom Cheat Sheet. It's that great. So go ahead right now, hit that pause button and come back to this video, but go get the cheat sheet first, and then we will go through this together. I'll wait. Okay, great. I'm glad you have the PDF download. I'm glad you went and grabbed it. Now, once you have an understanding of what financial freedom means for you, then you can create an action plan to actually reach that goal. And again, there's not a one clear-cut path for everyone. You'll have to create a plan that's based on your unique circumstances. It's an important goal to set, but it's equally as important to have a plan to help you get there. At Morris Invest, we use something called an individualized action plan. Again, this is so powerful because it helps our customers. It's for you. It's for our clients. No two clients are going to have the same action plan because we don't believe in a cookie cutter approach to investing or wealth building. One client might have a lot of debt. One client might have no debt. One client might already own a bunch of real estate and want to add a different layer of tax portfolio strategy to their plan. Others might have no real estate at all. Again, there are no two people that are exactly alike. So now I want to go over a specific example. Do you have your paper in front of you? Good, because now we're going to dive into some nuts and bolts. Now, this actually is an example. This is a freedom number from one of our clients at Morris Invest. This is a real live person as an example. Now, as an example, I lived in New Jersey and my freedom number was about $12,000 a month because I had almost three kids at the time. I lived in a really ridiculously expensive area of New Jersey, and the house was modest, but holy smokes, the property taxes in New Jersey are off the charts. It's a reason why people move out of New Jersey. So my monthly expenses were very, very high just to live there. So your mileage may vary. Mine was about $12,000 a month for me to achieve financial freedom so that I had all my expenses paid, my family would be taken care of, I could go on a vacation once a year if I wanted to, and all of those things would be taken care of. In this example that I'm about to show you, this is one of our clients. I'm not going to name names, but this is one of our clients that used a freedom number cheat sheet and has $8,000 a month as their target number. $8,000 a month is their target financial freedom number where they could live financially free for the rest of their life if they had this type of cash flow coming in every month that would cover their bills and expenses and way of life. Okay, so let's go through this example. Okay, so $8,000 a month times 12 months, that's $96,000 a year in cash flow. Okay, this would allow them to cover everything. $96,000 a year, that's their target number. So $96,000 a year divided by $15,000 is about the average single family home that is after it's paid off. That's about 6.5 properties. So again, $15,000 a year from one single family property, rental property. That's the cash flow from about one paid off single family home. And that means they need about 6.4 of those. So when you see that number on paper, you're like, holy smokes, wait a second. I only need 6 rental properties in order to live financially free? I mean, that's the number that changed everything for me in my life. When I saw that up on my whiteboard in my office at home for the very first time and I created the Freedom Number cheat sheet, it was a game changer for me. I thought, holy smokes, I only need this number of properties. And that means I can travel with comfort, know that my family is taken care of, never have to worry about a boss firing me. I never have to worry about a 2-hour commute to and from work. I can live financially free given these numbers. So 6 properties is all this individual needed. So if you look at the numbers more deeply now, let's kind of go through this. So let's just round it up to 7 properties because no one wants a half of a house, 6.4. So let's say 7 properties at an average price for a property of about $230,000, okay? This is a new construction property. In our examples, that's all we do at Morris Invest. We build new construction properties, single families and duplexes, okay? So in this client's situation, that's 7 properties with an average price of about $230,000. These are brand new construction properties in the best school districts in our markets where we build our properties at Morris Invest. That's a portfolio value of $1.6 million. Now this is important because they're not putting up $1.6 million. The bank is. And in another video, I'm going to detail how real estate provides 4 streams of income, including the cash flow from the tenant, but also the depreciation and appreciation and principal reduction of the property because the tenant is paying down the mortgage. So now you've just literally added $1.6 million in net worth to your portfolio, but the bank paid for it. What other asset can you buy where a bank pays for it, but it's added to your net worth column? Nothing. You're not going to be able to borrow money from the bank to go buy gold. You're not going to be able to do that to go buy stocks. Real estate. You can put 20 to 25% down and a bank carries the rest. It's unheard of. And at the same time, you're not even paying the bank back. The tenant is paying the bank back essentially by paying down your principal reduction of your mortgage. It's amazing. And you're getting the tax benefits of owning the property. The bank is not. You get the full tax benefits of ownership of that property, even though the bank put up most of the money. This is amazing, right? So $1.6 million portfolio in value for this individual on this piece of paper. And their goal is to acquire 7 properties using one of our exclusive programs at Morris Invest. That's the goal. So think about how game changer this is for some people. Because when you get on the phone with our team, you're going to chat with one of our assigned portfolio managers. They're going to send you an individualized action plan. Now, this could mean entering one of our specific programs, like buying with a self-directed IRA. Maybe you've got an old 401k laying around. Maybe you've got an old IRA that you didn't know you could use in order to use that down payment to buy real estate. Maybe you've got some old properties that aren't performing very well and certainly aren't getting the same level of return that ours do, and you'd like to do a 1031 exchange. You could sell those and exchange them for like-kind properties, and you won't pay any taxes on that exchange, on the sale of those properties, because they're going in a 1031 exchange program under the IRS tax code. And then, of course, you have the cost segregation, which is another advanced level. We have full videos here on cost segregation and how it can save. You can basically get that $50,000 down payment on the property back using a cost segregation analysis that we provide you at closing. And you're able to turn around and hand that to your accountant and get almost the entire down payment back on your taxes. So all of these things are considered when we want to have a conversation with you. But after all of that, your plan might not involve buying real estate at all, or at least not yet. Perhaps you still need to save up some money for an initial down payment. Or maybe you could benefit right now from doing our Freedom Bootcamp. We have a whole Freedom Bootcamp that can help you get your finances in order. Again, that's free. It's a 90-day financial freedom bootcamp. If you go to morrisinvest.com/bootcamp, download that for free. It'll take you through a 90-day strategy in order to work your debt down, in order to frame yourself so you can start investing after 90 days. Again, that's free. So you might not be in the camp that's ready to invest right now. So what I want you to take away from today is that financial freedom is individualized. It's totally up to you and your situation. There's no cookie cutter approach that exists out there on Instagram or TikTok or wherever else you're going to see this garbage. No, it's up to you. You get to decide. You get to define it for yourself. What is your financial freedom going to look like for you? Is it that you want to spend more time with your family? Maybe you don't want to do that 2-hour commute anymore to and from work. And by the time you get home at night, you don't get to see your kids go to bed. What is your why? Why do you want to achieve financial freedom? Maybe you want to travel more. You don't want to be locked into just 1 week vacation per year and the rest of the time you're cranking widgets at the factory. You want to change your life. It's going to look different from mine or anyone else's. That's the point. It's empowering because you're in the driver's seat. Your destination is up to you. So to start today, download the Freedom Cheat Sheet. Go to morrisinvest.com/freedom right now and grab it. We'll have links in the description below. Get started, and we'll see you next time, everyone.